Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Firey from Battle for Dream Island. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the body. Let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve down, curving it out slightly, and then in. And now let's do the same thing starting from the top right. And then connect them at the bottom with the curve across. Next, to close off the top, let's start on the top left and let's draw a curve down and up. Another curve in the middle. And then one more up to the right side. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 ovals for the eyes. And now let's color both of these in black. Now underneath for the mouth, let's start with a curve across. And then a curve down on the left side. Now top over to the right and let's draw a curve down and then bring it all the way across. And then add a curve across in the middle for the teeth. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the arms. Let's start on the bottom left and let's draw a curve out and down. And then add a circle at the end. And now color the hand in black. Now top to the right side, and this time let's start inside the body and let's draw a curve out and down again. And a circle for the hand. And then color the hand in black. Next, let's hop underneath in the middle and let's draw the feet. We'll start with 2 lines down. And then thicken these lines up slightly. Now from the bottom of each leg, let's hop up and let's draw a curve out and down. And then close off the bottom of each foot with a curve across. And then color both of the feet in black. And that's it for Firey. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!